ORIENT Flex Group, the one-stop supplier of flexible hose and coupling, has 18 product series and over 50,000 product SKU. ORIENT Flex has a diverse series and production lines for auto hoses, mainly including silicone hoses, diverse auto rubber hoses, ohm hoses, as well as accessories. Auto silicone hose. Silicone hoses are made from 100% high quality raw silicone material. Silicone rubber is a new type of elastic material with excellent high temperature resistance and low temperature resistance, good elasticity and low deformation, ozone resistance, UV resistance, radiation resistance and other characteristics. The silicone hoses include silicone meter hoses, silicone coolant hoses, silicone couplers, silicone bends, silicone reducer hoses, silicone heater hoses, etc. We are also qualified to produce food-grade silicone hoses, silicone braided hoses, and silicone steel wire hoses. Auto rubber hose. Auto rubber hoses are important parts to make the various systems in cars work, such as rubber fuel hoses, rubber heater hoses, AC hoses, rubber brake hoses, power steering hoses, EPDM radiator hoses, etc. according to their different application performance and production standards. The size, pressure, and performance of these hoses, such as oil resistance, ozone resistance, and aging resistance, are all very standard. After strict testing, they are used in automobiles. Auto customized hose. As factory, we have thousands of customized hoses production mold stock available. Support different OE hose types. The customized hose including silicone hose kits, O silicone hose, O rubber hoses, air intake hoses, etc. Depends on your car type, hoses drawing, OE code or hose samples. We can supply customized auto hoses production. We guarantee the hoses are totally same with your requirements. ORIENT Flex supply one-stop services for hoses and hoses accessories. Auto hoses play important roles on automotive working. Its application is varied for cars, like turbocharging system, cooling system, air conditioning system, fuel system, etc. Our team is dedicated to provide superior hoses and services. Competitive price. You can be assured of our professional hose production and quality. Sincerely hope that we can be long-term partners on basis of mutual benefits.